I'm Anil Kumar, and on request of my students, here is solution of question number 17, page 387 from Nelson, Vectors and Calculus. The vectors x equals to minus 4p minus 2 and y equals to minus 236 are such that cos inverse of 4 over 21 equals to theta, where theta is the angle between x and y. Determine the values of p. Now, what we can do is we can see this equation in two different ways. One is that x, the dot product of x and y is equals to the magnitude of x times the magnitude of y times cosine of theta, right? So that is how the dot product is related. So we are given x as minus 4 p minus 2 and dot product with y, which is minus 2 3 6, should be equal to magnitude of x will be square of minus 4 square plus p square plus minus 2 square times square root of y magnitude, which is minus 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square times cosine of theta. Now from here, cosine of theta is 4 over 21. So times 4 over 21, correct? So here, you remember, this is cos theta equals to 4 over 21. So that is what we'll use. Now let's find the dot product. So minus and minus gives me plus 8. P times 3 is plus 3p. And minus 2 times 6 is minus 12. So that is equal to all this, right? So you could use calculator, find this answer, which is, let's write 16 plus p square plus 4 now, times the other one is 4 plus 9 plus 36 times 4 over 21. So we have now only one variable, right? So 8 minus 12 is minus 4, so we get 3p minus 4 on the left side, and let's use the calculator. We'll use later because this is p here. So square root of 20 plus p square times, and here we have 36 plus 4 is 40 plus 9, 49 square root is 7, good for us, times 4 over 21. So that also simplifies. That is good. So we have 4 over 3 here, right? So let's try to simplify this. So this is 4 over 3. So we'll multiply this part by 3. And okay, and then we'll square, okay? So this is as good as 3 times 3p minus 4 equals to, so how do we get 3? We get 7 times 3 is 21, right? And on this side, we have 4 times square root of 20 minus p square. So solving this equation, you can always find what p is. So at this stage, let us square both sides. So if you square both sides, you'll get 9 squaring, right? 3p minus 4 whole square is equals to square of this is 16 times 20 minus p square. So that is the equation which you get, right? Now what you can do is you can actually pause the video, solve hereafter, and then check with your answer, okay? Now let's do this solution further. So it becomes 9 times 3p square is 9p square minus 2ab. So 6 times 2 is 24, 24p plus 16 is equals to 16 times 20. So 2 times 320 minus 16p square. Is it okay? So that is what you get. So I think you can solve it further. It is 81p square minus 9 times 4, 36, 3. 9 times 2, 18, and 3 is 21. P plus 9 times 6, 54, 5, 9, 144 equals to 320 minus 16p square. Bring all these things together on one side. So we have 81p square plus 16p square minus 216p plus 144 minus 320 equals to 0, right? So combine these terms, and then you have a quadratic equation. At this stage, use the quadratic formula, which is p equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2 times a, and get the value of p, right? So you should be getting two different values of p, which will be your answer, right? So I'd like you to further do the calculations and check your answer with the book, right? So that should be fine. I think you've understood the process. The main step which I wanted to tell you was this. So use dot product definition as we have used, and then simplify and get your answer. I hope that helps. Thank you.